Ever dreamed of welcoming furry guests without fur everywhere? Here's how to keep your vacation rental pet friendly and your sanity intact. Before we dig in, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell so you don't miss any future episodes brimming with rental wisdom, humor, and the occasional pet hair mishap. So you're thinking of welcoming pets to your vacation rental, or maybe you've already flung the doors open to furry guests, only to find your sofas become Fluffy's personal scratching post. Here's the thing. Guests love traveling with their pets. It's one of the biggest trends in hospitality right now. But let's be honest, nobody wants to spend every turnover chasing fur bunnies or scrubbing out suspicious stains. Good news? You can absolutely have a pet-friendly rental without feeling like you're hosting an animal shelter. And trust me, this isn't guesswork. I've seen countless owners in the Mastering Vacation Rentals, Start, Manage, and Thrive in the Rental Business course transform their properties to pet-welcoming paradises and still earn stellar reviews. All right, let's dig in. Choose durable, pet-friendly materials. Now here's your golden rule. If it can be clawed, chewed, or peed on, it will be. Skip delicate linens and plush velvet. Instead, opt for stain-resistant fabrics. Think performance upholstery or leather you can wipe. Clean. Go for hard surface floors like tile, luxury vinyl, or sealed concrete. Carpets? It's about as wise as a cream sofa at a toddler birthday party. Pick rugs you can toss into the wash or skip them altogether in pet zones. One host I know shared that switching to outdoor rated carpets inside saved her thousands. Genius, right? Set clear pet policies and make your guests sign off. Remember, good fences make good neighbors, and good pet policies make good rentals. Spell out how many pets you allow, size or breed restrictions, if any. Areas pets are not allowed: beds, furniture, hot tubs. Rules for cleaning up pet waste. Put your policy in writing. Have guests confirm in advance. It's not about avoiding mess, it's about avoiding awkward conversations later. And yes, mention your pet fee, because Fluffy might be cute, but cleaning pet hair from the curtains is definitely billable. Add pet perks that guests and pets love. You want your pet-friendly listing to shine? Add thoughtful extras. A welcome basket with dog treats, a collapsible water bowl, and waste bags. A spare leash, a small dog bed or blanket. A list of local dog parks, pet stores, and emergency vets. One host I know who took the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course includes a frisbee with a rental's logo. Guests love it, and it's free marketing when they post pictures of Fido catching it at the beach. Designate a pet zone for easy cleanup. Instead of letting pets roam the entire property, create a pet-friendly zone. A specific room with easy-to-clean floors. A doggy gate to block off carpeted areas. A designated outdoor spot for potty breaks. One owner I know added a gravel pet relief area outside. Guests raved about it, and so did the lawn, which no longer suffers yellow polka dots. Stay honest in your listings. Your listings must be clear. Yes, pets are welcome. Yes, there is a pet fee. No, you can't bring a Great Dane into a tiny studio. Being upfront avoids surprises and helps you attract responsible pet owners who respect your space. Clarity prevents chaos. Embrace the marketing power of pet friendliness. Now here's a juicy stat. In the United States, nearly 70% of U.S. households own a pet. Pet owners search specifically for pet-friendly stays, and they often book longer visits. So flaunt it. Use keywords like pet-friendly vacation rental, dog-friendly beach house, vacation rental with fenced yard, and post adorable photos of your property's pet's perks. Fluffy might just become your best marketing assistant. Running a rental isn't just throw pillows and hashtags. The 7-day vacation rental jumpstart download helps you automate, price smart, and host like a pro. Get your copy now. You can find a link in the show notes. Do you already accept pets at your rental? Or are you still on the fence? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Pet-proof your materials. Set clear rules. Add pet perks. Highlight pet zones. Market pet-friendly. Making your rental pet-friendly doesn't mean endless fur cleanup or shredded furniture. With smart choices and clear communication, you'll attract happy guests and their well-behaved pets without sacrificing your sanity or your security deposit. And hey, creating a pet-friendly stay is just one of the countless ways to boost your business and guest satisfaction.
Want to learn how to thrive as a vacation rental owner? Check out the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course. It's like obedience school, but for vacation rentals. Until next time, hit subscribe so you won't miss future episodes. Because nobody wants to be left in the doghouse, especially not vacation rental owners. P.S. If your pet guests leave more hair than your last guest had on their entire head, maybe invest in a good lint roller. You'll thank me later.